We're in baling mode. With the John Deere baler, folks. He's drunk. We're baling wet hay today. Whoa, look at that tire. He's drunk. We got a wobbler here. John Deere 24T baler. We just pulled it out of the old chicken coop. Just out of the old chicken coop mode. See what happens. He's got himself a little gunny set. Oh, shit. Pulling some more. Folks, 2019. It's gonna be the first bale come through the hopper here real soon. He's even got the lights on and everything. He basically took it out of the old fucking chicken coop. Gonna put her through the old testing tune. Oh, it's working. We're baling. It's wet too. Yeah, it happens. There we go. Yeah, it's 24T. He says he's coming right through here. Working good. It's being pulled by a John Deere 50 with the optional power steering. How you like that one out there, boys? Baling wet hay. He's got 42% moisture content. We like about 18 to 22, but we are baling at 30 to 40. Look out, that's gonna be one heavy bale. First one's an old freebie. Let her go, Jabu. Oh yeah, look, that's a nice bale. There's $4 there, folks, getting ready to drop like a turd. It's like a cow. Okay, drop the load. I like it. With the 50, she's really pulling her through here, folks. There it comes, look at that. It's fluffing good. There's one bale, there's $2, $2. We're selling these bales for $2. $2 a bale there, folks. That's a straw one, that's an option. It's running good. Oh, here comes that inbred. That's an inbred one. There you go, folks. Here comes our bale wagon. It's a trailer behind the 830.
Might as well just break that bale back up and put it back out there to dry.
No, it's good.
No, it's not.
Dude, that bale's good. Here he comes right here, Boss Hog. Boss Hog. No shit, you're already wasting the twine. Twine makes more twine.
Well, that one's a bell.
Here he comes. Oh, he's hammered, dude. This guy's hammered.
Why do we have a 5x8 trailer?
Because, no, we do 6 bales at a time. I likes it. He likes it. There's a $2 bill right there. $2, $2, $2. Folks, there's $4 right there. That's a $4 bill there, folks. Come on, pull some R's with us.
Why is my tractor?